What's up, y'all? This morning I will be working on this bad boy. Yeah, this Wrx is my project for the day. So we're gonna be doing brake pads and replacing the springs on the struts to lower on springs. So let's go ahead, start this, bust this out real quick, and I'm about to jack it up and let's get started. It's just like any other car. Pop, pull it open, pads out, compress the pistons, put the new pads in, done with that. Then the next thing, I gotta take, let me see if I can turn this ISO up for you real quick. Look this way. So on these bolts come off, and then the bolts on the top come off. Then I gotta put my compression tool on, compress the spring down, put the new springs on, and we gotta do this all the way around. So let's get started. These bolts are 19s. The ones back here are 14s. So you pop the 14 off, pull this, and then for the struts down here, it's a 19 and a 19. So I'm gonna pop I'm gonna start with this, pop these off, and then we're gonna get this strut out. All right, so as you can see, turn down the ISO just a bit. New brake pads are in. Turn the ISO back up. New springs are in. ISO back down. The old springs are over there. The old pads are over there. So this front one is done. And now we're gonna move on to the back one because I don't see the purpose of switching from side to side. I can just literally just boom, boom, and then turn the car around, boom, boom. So this one's done. Moving on to the next. Easy job, guys, easy job. All right, so check this out. So when you're doing springs, all you gotta do is get a spring tool, press the spring in before you take this bolt out, because if you don't, it'll shoot out. You get hurt or damage something. So right now, that's what I'm doing. I'm taking this bolt, I'm taking this spring off. I'll get back to you when I'm done. About to go take it for a test drive, make sure everything's good. Wash it off for them, and it's ready for them to pick up. So if you guys need any repairs done, hit me up, Instagram, YouTube, wherever. And if I can help, I'll help. So I'll catch you in the next video. Peace. So I know I said the video was over, but I'm adding this little piece on because I decided to do my window regulator. So right now, I'm removing everything. I stuffed the rag here because I took the window bolts off, so when the regulator comes out, I should be able to hold it up. But right now I'm taking off the surrounding so that I can get this off. So I'll let you know how it goes. And just so you guys know, if anybody's curious, all these are 10mm bolts going around the perimeter. So this is what the regulator looks like when it's out. We have, I'm assuming this is the side that helps the window go up and down. And then the opposing side. So all we have to do is take off these bolts here. There's one here. And then we can throw the other one on. And we have to snake the connector through here. So I've got to figure out how to get this one out. And we'll continue from there. So after a little bit of guesswork, we have a working window. So now we just have to tighten everything back up, put all your bolts back on, and apparently I don't have to reprogram this one because it doesn't seem to be doing the drop. So let's get it back together.